Here's the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. So first thing is go ahead and turn it off or turn it on. Press and hold that power button and keep holding on until it boots up. Okay, once it's up, you should be at this welcome screen. We can do it from here or we can go ahead and open up. It doesn't matter. I'll just do it this way. So first thing is go ahead and choose your language. I'm good with English. I'm going to tap on Start. It's got a little message. Don't know if you saw that or not, but it said you can go ahead and insert a SIM card. I typically like to put the SIM card in after the setup is complete, so I'll make another video how to insert a physical SIM card after this setup video. The link will be in the description, okay? For your review, go ahead and read through these. Now you must select the first two in order to proceed, okay? So read through that. I'm fine with all of them on, and I'm going to tap agree for myself to proceed. Easy setup with another device. Sign in automatically and copy settings, accounts, and more from another phone or tablet. Keep your other phone or tablet nearby and unlocked, okay? So if you want to make the setup process easier, another device, tap down here if it's a Galaxy or Android device or an iPhone or iPad, okay? For myself, this is going to be just a clean install here, so I'm going to tap on setup manually for myself here. Choose Wi-Fi network. You can skip, or you can skip and do it later, or you can do it now. I'm going to go and do it mine now so I can get that latest update. I'm going to input my password in, Wi-Fi password. After you put in your password, tap on connect. It says connected right there. Preparing for mobile connection. This may take a few minutes. Okay, so this is for your eSIM, all right? Select your service provider. Choosing your service provider helps us find your eSIM mobile plan, okay? You can do this now or you can do it after setup as well, okay? For myself, I'm not going to be using the eSIM, so I'm just going to tap on setup later in settings anyway. Copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more from a different device, okay? So if you want to transfer your photos, your apps, contacts, and whatnot, you can tap on next here, bring your other device close to here, and you will need a old Android, iPhone, or iPad, or a tablet. Okay, bring it close, unlocked, and tap on next. All right. For myself, I want a fresh, clean install on this, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the back button here. And for myself, I'm going to click on Don't Copy. Google sign in. They want you to sign into your Google account, which is your Gmail. You can go ahead and sign in or create an account. Or you can skip and you can sign in later if you wish. I'm just going to go ahead and skip for myself too. Google services, go ahead and read through these, okay? All three of these are all optional, okay? But I'm fine with having all these toggled on. Again, go ahead and read through all these. For myself, I will tap accept. Protect your phone. Basically input a password. You can do a Face ID password, fingerprint, password pattern, or even a PIN. You can even skip it and do it later, okay? I would recommend at least put something in right now. For myself, I'm just going to go ahead and do a PIN, 6-digit number here. And let me guess my 6-digit, or make a 6-digit password here. After you put it in the first time, tap on continue. It's going to ask you to input it one more time. After you put it in the second time, tap on OK. Now you can always go back into it later on. You can do a fingerprint and a Face ID as well, okay? Here they're asking you to sign into your Samsung account, so you can go ahead and sign in, or you can create an account, or you can skip and sign in later, or you can just skip and never sign in if you don't want to, all right? Samsung services, these are all optional, okay? So go ahead and read through each of these and select the one, or enable the ones that you want, okay? For myself, I'm fine with all four of them. I'm gonna tap on agree. Choose your display preference. Do you like light? Or do you like dark? Okay, I like dark better myself, so I'm going to go with dark. I'm going to click on next. Taking care of your phone, you can go ahead and read through that. Once you're done reading through it, tap on next. You're all set up here, okay? So you can either tap on finish or you can explore your Galaxy, okay? For myself, I'm just going to tap on finish. And voila, we are in business. Now I'm going to make a video how to insert the physical SIM card. Look in the link below if you want to know how to do that. All right. Good luck, guys.